Welcome, free spirits and creative souls. Today we are diving into the enchanting world of boho style recycling with bottles. Yes, those simple glass or plastic bottles that often get thrown away can be transformed into magical decor pieces, functional art, and soulful creations. In today's journey, I will take you through ideas, inspiration, and tips and pictures that will spark your creativity and help you bring that warm, earthy, and artistic bohemian vibe into your home. Bohemian decor is all about freedom, individuality, and connection with nature. Recycling bottles into boho crafts isn't just about saving the planet, it's about telling a story with every piece you create. Each bottle holds a chance to express your artistic side, to reuse instead of waste, and to design something that feels both personal and sustainable. Let's start with something simple yet stunning. Water bottle was a stick at all glass bottle. Wrap it with jute, twine, macrame cords, and colorful threads. Add beads, feather, or shell, and suddenly the plain bottle become a rustic bohemian vase. Place a dried pampas stem, wildflowers, or even fairy lights inside, and you have created a centerpiece that radiates warmth. Now, next, another beautiful idea is turning bottles into candles holder. Cut the bottle carefully or simply use it as it is. Wrapping the base with burlap, lace, or crochet. Place a candle on top or inside, and watch the flickering glow dance with your boho texture. It's cozy, earthy, and absolutely perfect for a relaxed evening. Boho loves hanging elements. You can recycle bottles into hanging decor pieces. Wrap the neck of the bottle with macrame, attach a loop, and hang it by your window. Drop it fresh herbs, a small flower, or even fairy lights. The sunlight will pass through the glass and create beautiful reflections, turning your space into a dreamy boho nook. Unleash your creativity with painted bottles was earthy tones, terracotta, olive green, mustard yellow, or go gold with mandala designs and tribe patterns. You don't need to be a professional artist. Even simple brush strokes, dot on lines give a bottle a soul. These painted bottles can stand on a shelf, work as planters, or become thoughtful handmade gifts. One of the most One of the most beautiful way to recycle bottles by turning them into mini planters. Cut the bottle horizontally, add soil, and plant succulents or herbs. Decorate the outer part with jute or fabric scraps, and you have got yourself a boho garden in bottles. Place them on your balcony, window sill, or desk, or let nature follow into your everyday life. When working with recycled bottles, remember boho style is about imperfection and layering. Don't worry if the twine isn't perfectly straight or if the paint has uneven texture. That's the beauty of bohemian decor. Mixed colors, mixed texture, mixed material, combined lace with wood, feather, and weed glass with fabric. The more soulful and electric, the better. So the next time you finish a drink, don't throw away the bottles. Instead, see it as a blank canvas. Wrap it, paint it, hang it, or plant in it, and let your spirit guide the design. Boho recycling is more than craft. It's a lifestyle of mindful creation and soulful living. Thank you for joining me in this journey of boho bottles recycling. If you feel inspired, pick up a bottle, reuse bottle today and give it a new life. Until next time, keep creating, keep reusing, and keep embarrassing the beauty of imperfection. For more videos, go to the comment section and tell about what you want to see again. We will try to bring best video parts for you. Have a very nice and beautiful day. Keep shining like a star.